Abstract Bridgely's isolated half-bridge converter-based EV charger with power factor re-regulation.
Abstract.
What the main objective of a Bridgely's isolated half-bridge converter-based EV charger with power factor pre-regulation is to design and develop a high-efficiency power converter for electric vehicle chargers. The converter is bridgeless, which means that it does not use a conventional bridge rectifier circuit and instead uses a half-bridge configuration. This configuration is more efficient and has lower losses. Here is our website, which you can find the EEE projects and explore various other domains on www.takeoffprojects.com. From EEE simulations to projects spanning diverse fields, our website offers a rich collection to satisfy your curiosity. Whether you're seeking titles or abstracts, our platform provides easy access to the project resources. Embark on a journey of discovery and innovation by visiting our website today and dive into the world of exciting projects and research.
Document.
In document we can provide abstract, introduction, literature survey, keywords in different stages based on project. Take note of keywords as chapters, proposed system, result discussion, conclusion, future scope and references.
PPT.
In PPT we can provide abstract, introduction, literature survey, existing method, disadvantages, proposed method, proposed block diagram, simulation block diagram and results. Advantages, applications, software and hardware requirements, conclusion, future scope and references.
Results.
In this project, the AC input stage is the first stage of the EV charger and is responsible for converting the AC voltage from the grid into a DC voltage. The circuit consists of switch S1 series diode D1 and output diode D3 which operate during positive half-line, and switch S2 series diode D2 and output diode D4 which operate during the other half-line. No significant magnetic component is required for proposed configuration, and the magnetizing inductance LM1 and LM2 of high-frequency transformer are designed in DCM. This project was implemented and tested using MATLAB and Simulink software. This software is user-friendly and easy to understand. Thank you for watching. For more details, contact 9030 333 433.